Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So as you can see, the silver price is moving around $19,2015. Okay, so what we can see looking at this chart for the next week. See, if you look at the chart, what we can see, it is trading at 19.215 and in a particular zone. Okay, and if you look at this zone, and this is from since July first week, we have seen the price is moving in this particular zone. So if this zone break upside or downside, we can see there can be a sharp rise or sharp fall. So probability of moving further down will be there if this level didn't sustain, and if it goes above a level of around $20.5, then we can see it can go further upside. Okay, otherwise we can see it will follow this particular trend and move in this zone. Okay, so before we move forward and explain you how the silver can go in the next week, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in silver, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, which is of a high chances that it can come down towards a level of $19.066. Okay, and if the price move below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 18.967. Okay, and once the price goes below that particular level, then chances are very high we can see it can touch a level of $18.800, and from there we can see it can go further down, and a probability of touching 18.325 is there. Okay, and once the price fall below $18.325, then chances are high we can see it can touch a level of $18.77, and from there we can see it can fall further down and can come towards a level of 17.5. Why 17.5 directly after this? Because there is a resistance at a particular level of around 17.8, which is a weak resistance. So chances will be high that once the price fall below a level of $17.881, we can see down towards a level of $17.5. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So but 17.5 we can see a bounce back. Okay, because this support is a strong support, so chances are very high we can see it can go further upside. But a resistance forming at 0.9, what we can see, it can bounce back from upside 17.5, but 17.9 will act as a resistance, so it can bounce down towards further, and we can see it can go towards a level of around $16.8 also, and from there we can see it can fall towards a level of 16.5 also. So keep this in mind. If the price fall below a level of 17.5, we can see it can touch a level of 16.8. These are the few high chances that it can go towards a level of 16.8 if the price fall below a level of 17.5. Okay, and now you have to understand, once this zone breaks, then only we can see it can go further high. But suppose if the price sustain this particular level, okay, which is currently trading at around $19.184 as of now. So if this level sustain, we can see it can go towards a level of $19.400. Okay, and this particular resistance is a weak resistance, so chances are very high we can see it can see towards a level of $19.737. And once the price move above that level, then we can see it can go towards a level of $19.971, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around $20.146. Okay, and if that level also sustain, then there is high chances of going further high towards a level of $20.467, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $20.848. Keep this in mind. Again, if the price comes close to this particular level, chances are very high that we can see it can touch this particular level, and this level is already being a weak resistance, so chances will be high that we can see it can go towards a level of $21.198. Okay, again I repeat, if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch this particular level, because this is a weak resistance, so chances are high if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch this particular level. Okay, or if the price move above that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of $21.546, and from there we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of touching 22 will be there, and then further upside if the price sustain this level. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.